Henry, how is life after school? How are you surviving? You are looking good. You don't have a job yet, but you look good, you look sharp. What's the secret? I hope you are not doing yahoo with all those boys.
Baba, I'm trading Forex. Forex is blood money. See, I started trading Forex with just $10 6 months ago. Right now, I am worth over $20,000 in Forex. Forex is blood money. See, it is a $6 trillion industry daily. That is the amount of money that exchanges hands in Forex every blessed day. $6 trillion.
You don't mean it. That kind of money is being traded on Forex every single day. Over $6 trillion. And I'm not making any part of it. How can I start learning how to trade Forex? I want to start immediately.
That is a very easy thing. If all those Aboki, all those Hausa Northerners, illiterates that never saw the 4 walls of school, can trade Forex successfully, you can trade and even do better. All you need is big capital, because the bigger your capital, the bigger your money. Okay, so you just practice for 1 day. 1 day practice is okay for you. Then you start trading and making money the next day. Forex is the easiest thing ever.
Will you keep quiet?
I think I now have an idea of what I can do with my gratuity. I pray they pay us very soon. I have an idea already. Don't worry. My nephew, you are a good boy.
Now that I've shown you the secret of all the billionaires in this country, I hope you will not forget me when you become a billionaire. I just gave you the secret to wealth now, free of charge.
This boy, you like money too much. You are just like my younger brother who is your father. He likes money too much. Don't worry. Maybe you say 1 day practice is okay. Next week, my gratuity will come. I practice Forex for 1 day. The next day, I start making money. I'm not a stingy person. You will enjoy me. I'll buy you a car. Don't worry.
Hi, honey. I'm so happy that finally federal government has paid your gratuity. Your children called from abroad to congratulate you. You were sleeping then. It's a very good thing. May the Lord be praised. Before we go to bed this night, I want to ask you, what are your plans for this your gratuity? What business or what investment do you plan to go into? You know that $20,000 is a lot of money.
But you did not marry a fool. You married a very, very sharp guy. Back then, what made you fall for me was my smartness and intelligence. You know my nephew, Terry. There's a business proposal he gave to me. That is the business I want to go into. I'm putting all the $20,000 in there. And I'm going to make a lot of money. And I'll take care of you. I'll take you to Dubai. Don't worry.
Does the business not have a name? At least tell me the name now, so I can pray and fast about it.
Angelina, you are always looking for an excuse to fast. Every little thing you want to fast and pray. It's not as if there's no food stuff in the house. Eat. This one is no woman's business. This is business for men. Even if I explain from now till next year, you will not understand. Every time fast. Is it everything you disturb God for? Wow, the demo trading has been awesome. I've been making profit on demo practice. I can't wait to go live. You are the best nephew in the whole wide world.
Uncle, helping people to achieve their dream is my calling. It was not a missed call. I picked the call. It is my calling. See, demo trading is just the tip of the iceberg. You need to fund your account now and start trading with real money. $20,000 to be funded. I will help you do that today so that tomorrow you start trading with real money.
You mean just 2 days practice is enough for me to start trading successfully?
Initially, I told you needed 1 day of training. Now you have trained for 2 whole days. You are more than ready. I will fund that account with $20,000 today, and you start trading this night.
Thank God for giving me this kind of nephew. I didn't know you had already gotten a lot. of the $20,000. Please use it to fund so that throughout this night I will be trading. Before tomorrow morning, that $20,000 would have become $40,000. I swear.
Continue.
The kind of money I will make this night of my first trading, even Forex will be afraid of me. They have not seen anything. I will hammer this night. I will use a very large lot size so that I can double my capital quick. I don't understand what's going on here. How can in just 2 hours $20,000 have suddenly become $6,000? Where did the $14,000 go? What's going on here?
Continue.
They think they can fool me. I have another idea. I need to increase my lot size and take more risky trade so that I can recover my loss. Sharp. Recover your loss, bad guy. Honey, I'm finished. I just lost $20,000 in 2 hours. This computer is possessed. I've lost my money inside this computer.
This man, you will not kill me. You will not kill me. And you know that you have high blood pressure. What kind of business did you go and put money? What I'm seeing on your screen is Forex trade. Do you know how to trade Forex? What kind of rubbish is this?
Mr. Victor, your dad had partial stroke. Okay, so thank God we were able to stabilize him. I was told that he went into Forex trading and lost all his gratuity. We're placing him on a 3-day bed rest. He will be fine, do not worry.
My father traded Forex. This is serious. Please, can I go and see him? This is unbelievable.
You may proceed to see him, but he is not to be bothered.
Victor, Forex has finished me. In 2 hours, I lost my gratuity of $20,000 in trading Forex. Forex trading has finished me. Hey daddy, let me ask you a simple question. How long did you practice demo trading before you went into live Forex trading? I think I practiced for 2 days. Daddy, are you normal? Why would you do such a thing? Forex trading is serious business. You need to practice on demo, learn, curb your greed, manage your emotion, practice proper money management, do your risk analysis, have a clear-cut trading strategy before you can consider going live to start trading. Many people practice demo for 6 months, 1 year, even 2 years before they go live. But 2 days is just ridiculous. Damn. Oh, I wanted to have a share of the $6.6 trillion that exchanges hands in Forex every day. You can't blame me. I want some of that Forex money. Well, Daddy, I have good news for you. You don't have to be a skilled Forex trader to benefit from the Forex industry. Not everybody can trade Forex, but everybody can invest in Forex and make money. That's why I bring to you FX Farms, a legitimate Forex investment company where artificial intelligence robots and skilled, seasoned Forex traders trade Forex for you and give you daily return on investment. They are so transparent. You can even monitor their trades on my FX book, where you see their trading performances, and you can rest assured that they are really trading Forex, not like all those other Ponzi schemes that pretend to be trading Forex. FX Farms is the only legit forex investment out there. Wow, that is good news. The fact that they publicize their trading performance, that alone is a pass mark for them. As soon as they discharge me from this hospital, I will invest the rest of my savings in FX Farms. Wow.